welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to fix the problem with transitions not working in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have two clips right here, and let's say here under Effects, Video Transitions, I want to add an additive dissolve transition. But as you can see, if I just hold it on top of this, it doesn't work. It works for the beginning of the first clip and for the end of the second clip, but not in the middle. The problem with this is here, as you can see, this is the very end of the clip and this is the very beginning of the clip. But the dissolve video transition needs a kind of overlap like this, okay? So for example, 2 seconds of this clip and 2 seconds of that clip, so we can create this transition. What you need to do for this then is to cut off a bit of this and then cut off a bit of the second clip as well. And then it should work. Yeah, and now we have the transition right here. If we just let it play, as you can see, it works. Okay, that was a little hack on how to fix the problem with transitions not working in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.